In the center of Eindhoven, as heart of the brainport region of the Netherlands, Volkerwessels iCity introduces a new smart living concept called iWonen. iCity will implement the iWonen concept in the apartments of a building called Next. This is a complete new residential 22-story building with 160 apartments. iWonen is also a large-scale demonstration project of Interconnect. This means that we will realize smart services for more convenience, for more comfort, for more safety, in combination with smart use of sustainable energy.
Together, we're standing here in front of the first demo apartment. This is fully equipped with the iWonen concept and the interoperable solutions from the Interconnect project.
We will enter this apartment from user's perspective. So, if I come home after a long day working,
I will be today your sidekick and give information about the used technologies like SAREF, the knowledge engine and other IoT solutions.
Okay, let's go inside and have a look in the near future. The light in the hall will turn on automatically because it's too dark in the hallway. This apartment has in every room a smart lighting system based on motion sensors. And this means that we will reduce energy by automatically turn off or on the lights. And Jorrit, what's the difference between a smart lighting system and smart bulbs?
Smart lighting system is an invisible and fully integrated lighting system. And then as user, you can choose any bulb, light bulb with luminosity you want. And even traditional bulbs become smart in this way.
Okay, let's go to the kitchen. So let's go back to our customer journey. After a long day working, I really like to have a glass of wine. And I put the dirty glasses this morning in the dishwasher because it has to be ready now. But it looks quite normal to me as a more normal dishwasher. But what's different about this device?
You can control this dishwasher like any other, just with the buttons on the device. But it's called smart because it's connected to the cloud. And that allows you to control it from your smartphone. And in Interconnect, we even go one step further. We also made a connection between the knowledge engine and the cloud. And this allows other systems to start the device at a specific time. But don't worry, it only works as you as a user give your permission.
Everything is configured in automatic programs which serve the best interest for the users. In the app, you can overrule the automatic programs, change or tweak the programs to your own preferences and needs. It's not only smart lighting and smart white goods. The app will also show you information about the air quality and energy use of the apartment in the main devices. The smart meters for heat and electricity are also connected. Jorrit, what are the other advantages of this app?
As an end user, you're in full control of your devices. And if you're allowed to share data or control of your devices, you can benefit from cost savings, green energy usage and recommendations for healthier living. And with interoperable solutions, you can easily switch service providers, just like you can switch providers for your data plan on your smartphone.
Let's continue our story. And imagine it's dark outside and it's time to go to bed.
All the rooms in the apartment have smart switches, but in the bedroom you need to switch off the light manually. This here is a multifunctional switch, which means you can program the different parts of the button with different scenes. For example, here at the left corner you have the night scene, which means that if you need to go to the toilet at night, you switch this part of the button and then the lights on the road to the toilet will be dimmed. And after a while they will switch off.
In our story, it's early in the morning. I wake up and I slept very well. What's smart about this, Jorrit?
The ventilation system of Duco is integrated in the smart apartment. This means that the air quality is continuously being monitored and controlled. And thus you always have fresh air. It doesn't matter whether you have a crowded party or just are sleeping at night, the air quality will always be maintained properly.
After I woke up, I go to the bathroom to take a shower. But can you tell us more about the automation of humidity?
The humidity is also being controlled by the Duco ventilation system. This means when you take a shower, it will increase in speed to reduce the humidity levels to normal values.
After my shower, I went to the laundry room and I put my dirty clothes from yesterday in the washer and I picked the clean, fresh one out of the dryer. When I looked to these devices, I noticed that there are Miele brands, and I remember in the kitchen it was a Siemens brand. Why there are different brands?
With the interoperability solutions from Interconnect, it doesn't matter whether you have a device from Siemens, Miele, Bosch or Whirlpool. That's because we're using the SAREF ontology between devices and the controllers. SAREF is a data modeling standard that allows to use services with different devices from different manufacturers. In fact, Interconnect is the first project that delivers technology for using SAREF in such a real-life, large-scale setting.
Let's go to the heart of the smart apartment. Behind me you can see the mini server. The mini server connects all kinds of data from the ventilation system, from the smart switches, from the smart lighting system and also from the smart meters. And this data will be stored locally. But for the white goods it works differently. And Jorrit will explain how the data flows when you optimize the white goods.
The white goods are connected to the cloud. The manufacturers have created a secure connection between their cloud and the Interconnect knowledge engine. This means that the device will show up on your smartphone and allow you to select an energy management system of choice. The energy management system receives the information and sends back a new start time. In this way, your device is scheduled and started the moment the most sustainable energy is available.
Furthermore, there is an access point in the technical cabinet. This connects devices to a separated and secured IoT network. This means the IoT is completely separated from your own internet Wi-Fi supplier. The IoT cloud cannot be found on your cell phone. And this means that we can offer the end users the highest level of data security and privacy.
As Interconnect is a research innovation project, we are testing many solutions for the first time in a real-life setting. This means that we need to find a balance between user experience, interoperability and operational performance. Because we want to find out how the interoperability solutions are of most value for the users, we are also performing user surveys. Altogether, we will learn a tremendous amount of new things to foster in-home interoperability in the European Union.
We are at the end of our customer journey and it's time to go to work. If you want to know more about the iWonen apartment, go to this website.
Or go to this website if you want to know more about SAREF, the knowledge engine, or the use cases that demonstrate how it works in practice. Thanks Ronnie for guiding us today through this wonderful apartment.
Yeah, thank you too Jorrit for giving all the technical information.
It was a pleasure.